it has released a lot of potential that it was there, but it didn't know how to bring out. Hello, I am Alex, and this is my Undamaged collection. I'm into sustainability and not to waste either paper or fabric for toiling. So being able to create everything digitally is really been a game-changing. Flow 3D is a software to simulate garment making. I've used it to digitally create my designs and being able to print them and bring them to life physically. It's reducing waste in terms of sampling and pattern making. You can visualize the whole project even before starting to make. Basically, what I like the most out of the whole designing process, I love being involved in the process of the making. That's what I really, really enjoy. The course is really intense. They give you the tools, but it's your own responsibility later to develop those skills at your own time. And they really expand the way you get to think on the design process. It's been amazing, to be honest. During this course, you're gonna get really out of your comfort zone, and it's stressful, but you really need to embrace that, because that's how you're gonna be learning and that's how you're gonna push your limits. So I am actually very proud of the result. So it turned out amazing. The feeling is very fulfilling, very satisfactory.